Kenyans need the information, and I'm giving to you.
Chair, Honorable CS, now you are heckling. You are out of order.
You're equally like me.
This is the tradition of ODM to echo.
You are out of order.
Chair, you can have monopoly of members when you ask questions. Can you also ask?
No, this is a point of order. This is a point of order on the Yes. Honorable Chair, the CS must learn to respect Parliament. Even when he was in this house, members of the executive never used to speak the way you are speaking to us. We defer to you because you are a former colleague, but you cannot behave the way that you are behaving. Honorable Chair, just a minute. Honorable Chair,
yes.
If the CS is tired of answering questions by the representatives of the people, let him tell us. Let him tell us. He can walk out and come back on a day that he feels his temperament is something that is befitting of a cabinet secretary of the Republic of Kenya. This is Parliament. We are not here to be nice to each other. You are saying you are giving answers to the public. Those public don't ask you those questions anymore. They ask us. We are the ones elected by the public. So, Honorable Chair, I think the CS must apologize for throwing a tantrum here. Yet we are here on serious business to be able to find answers to the questions of the public.
To be